This Toyota Sienna 2000 is not starting. So I'm going to show you. Put the key in here. Nothing. So let's open the hood and find out what's going on. Hope maybe it's a relay or fuse. We'll check it out and we'll see. Okay, here's the fuse box. So I grabbed this one. It's easy to check quickly the fuses. You can pull them out and check them, but this is faster. This one can be on a negative, and we'll do this way. Could be the fuel pump fuse.
Fuel pump.
So it is located.
Oh, it's probably it's gonna be probably one of these three right here.
Okay.
You see, this is a fan,
Take it.
and it says
I don't know.
fan,
Thank you, Boya.
and let's pull them out, replace them. Hopefully this could be a problem. I'm not sure, but maybe. So the other way to tell if the fuel pump has a problem, first you can check to hear the fuel pump from the gas, where you put full gas here. So he's gonna turn the keys on, and I'm gonna put my ear to hear if there's any noise coming from the gas tank. Okay, off. On. Off. The fuel pump completely dead. So you hear the click, right?
There's a click on, yep.
You hear the click?
The click happened, yep.
Can you tell which relay is clicking?
Yeah, it's the one that you just switched. Both seem to work.
Huh?
Both
It's like click.
this one and this one, they both work.
But which one is clicking?
They all click.
No, it's supposed to be one.
I heard one click.
Smart up.
Okay, can you go turn it on and off? Off, on, off, on. Okay, off. Can you grab this?
Yeah, but just
No. Let's see.
it's still clicking.
Okay, so this the main one is. So here's the final decision we made for this. We spray this fluid 50-50 fluid, start fluid. Here you see starting fluid. So I didn't record that because we were busy and we are recording on the street, as you see, and it's just not convenient. It's getting cold a little bit. Anyway, we remove the air filter, we remove this hose, this clamp, and we spray this one into there, and we start it kind of, it kicks on a little bit, like started and then shut it off. So that means definitely fuel problem. This also, we check all the fuses okay, all the relays, everything here is okay. Inside here we checked all those fuses here inside, you see there, this all the fuses, you know, we checked them all, and everything here is okay too. This is the fuses also, they all work fine, no problem at all. And but unfortunately this is what happened. So the fuel pump could be the problem. We don't hear any sound when we turn the ignition on. We don't hear nothing, no sound on this area here where the fuel pump located, fuel tank, fuel pump, no sound at all. So that could be fuel, but we'll definitely will update you. This is our neighbor van. They're gonna take it to the mechanic to check it to see what's wrong. We'll let you know once it's fixed. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video.